I'm the man with the plane. We getting ready to take off. Me and Javier, we getting ready to hit the roadway, and we're gonna pick it on up and moving on out.
First tonight, a YouTuber posting his lengthy walkthrough of an abandoned.
This is pretty cool. Ooh!
Testing RV finna fly plane on the F Round Master CW5. He's getting ready to take off. Plane is raw Mac, and he's getting ready to take off. It's a Navy plane, gray and black.
Okay, let me do the intro. Let me do the intro. Hold on, it's recording. Hold on. Hi, my friends. Welcome back to IR Studios. I am your host, Ace. In today's episode, we're gonna be testing one of the gyros that I just installed into my F-18 from Free Wing to see if it stabilizes the plane in these 10 miles per hour, 12 miles per hour. If it crashes, it's your fault. No, it's not your fault. There you go. Okay, bro, I think that we're ready. Hold on, let's check the... Okay, so you see, gyro on. I'm gonna turn it off. Fuck. Fuck, man. Keep recording. Go.
Yeah, I'm still recording. You're gonna fuck around there, and you're gonna be a dive bomber.
You don't see it?
I see it now.
That's with the gyro. It has the gyro now.
So far.
Please consider donating to my favorite charity, Make-A-Wish Foundation. They help kids in need, especially those who suffer from cancer. Thank you, familia.